When the chaos of life weighs you down, rise above it. Expand your personal space in a premier cabin with 3 large living spaces and a stylish interior meticulously designed and precision crafted for the utmost comfort. Stay in touch and entertained with Ka-band high-speed internet, the fastest in the industry. Record-setting versatility with the best combination of speed, range, and field performance to get you closer to where you need to be. Forget your flying and make the Global 6000 the smoothest part of your day.